GMP Laboratories of America is a state-of-the-art dietary supplement manufacturer located in Anaheim, California. We manufacture and package two-piece hard-shell capsule, tablet, powder, and liquid formulations, including syrups, flavored omega-3 fish oils, liquid suspensions, ready-to-drink RTD beverages, antioxidant juice blends, and more. Our contract manufacturing facilities are CGMP compliant, following the current good manufacturing processes set forth by the U.S. FDA, and we are certified by NSF, a third-party auditor. Every product is custom manufactured to your specifications and follows strict operating procedures that assure a high level of quality control, from raw materials to finished product. For a reliable turnkey solution to dietary supplement manufacturing, contact GMP Labs or visit gmplabs.com.